Hello.
So now we're just gonna react to this new group. She put it in the watch later list because she felt it was a good idea.
It's not a new group.
Oh.
I think it's a group that's been around for a while. They're just not that popular or something.
Yeah, so we figured why not just give them a little love, show them what's up.
Okay, so the group is called SNUPER, and the song is It's Raining.
It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining, man. Hey, yeah. Okay, anyway.
I would have sung along, but I don't know the words, so that's
I don't know either. That's just as far as I can go. Anyway, sorry about that. But I'm kind of excited.
I heard the song was really good.
Okay.
So.
I mean, hey, let's see what's happening. I mean, I don't really know anything about this group. I absolutely know nothing about this group. So
Neither.
They may have debuted maybe last year or something. You can let us know in the comment section if you're a really big SNUPER fan. We want to be little snoopers too.
Little snoopers.
Little snoopers. I wonder if that's the fandom name. You gotta let us know in the comment section. Yeah, be too close.
Okay. I don't know. Let us know.
Yeah, let us know in the comment section. So we're ready. And
Oh
did you see that? Did you see that?
I saw.
Did you see that?
I saw. I'm not ready. Wait, no, don't mute it.
No. When was that? 7 days ago, a week ago. Okay. Oh god, this water.
Water is never a good thing in a music video. Oh my god. Do you see him? Do you see him right now? Don't get on the floor. Get off the floor. Oh, you need to close your shirt. Oh my gosh. They need different shirts on.
I'm so shook right now.
Stop doing this. Oh my god, get out of the front! He is too fine. To me?
He was talking to me.
Girl, get out of here.
What the frick? They're all so good looking.
Okay, those outfits need to go away. Like, I can't. They're all silky and like. Ooh. Stop. No, get off the floor. Get off the floor.
Oh, you saw him giving that stare?
His voice.
It's glorious.
Stop.
I feel so disrespected right now.
I feel like there was a story to this, but I didn't pick up on it because I'm too focused on them. god, oh my god, oh my god. Well, guess who's Snooper fans now? This chick. This chick. Oh my god. That was like so much more than I even...
I don't even know what to say right now.
I don't know either.
Just because right out the gate they slayed. Like, we didn't even hit play and already the white shirts and the pants were way too much. All of them.
Yes. Scared.
There was not one guy in that group that I was like, oh, he's okay. No.
They were all
They were all
100.
They were all good. And
yeah.
The dancing was really cool. I like the dance a lot. Love the dance a lot. But
they were doing this too much.
They were. I was like, ugh, no. And the close-ups on whatever that guy was.
Let us know their names.
The one guy.
Comment section.
Yeah, the one rapper
in the front.
Disrespect, rude. Can someone stop him, please? Like, I feel so disrespected.
I have
right
no
now.
words.
I feel so attacked. Like
I'm so
offended right now. Like, I'm so upset.
I feel so like I don't know what this means, but like I literally cannot like find a way to describe what I'm feeling right now because that was just so good. Like I was like snatched. Like my soul is no longer in my body. It's been taken from me. And I don't even know anything about this group and that makes me sad. Like they're capable of this and I don't know them. Like
I need a moment of silence for my soul because it's not there. It's not in here anymore. Card swiped. I wish I had my ticket to heaven.
Who gave those to you?
Some lady. I guess she thought I was a heathen.
I used to get those in the fitting room all the time.
Okay. But yeah.
If you know more about this group, let us know in the comment section. Like your favorite song by them, your favorite member. Let us know who's who, especially that rapper in front.
I'm gonna look them up right now, honestly.
Let us know all the things. What's the fandom name? Because I want to join. Where do I sign the papers? Like, do I need an ID tag? Is there a membership
an ID
fee?
tag?
Like, let me know all the things.
Members. Okay.
Taeyong, Soohyun, Sangyeol, Wusong, Sangho? Sebin?
Yeah.
I don't know who's who.
I haven't. Yeah. Okay. Let me see if I can find some pictures.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
2 hours later.
Oh boy, the one at the top is biting his lip. I am ready. This
Why
one.
are they shirtless? And why do they have that like wet cat daddy look? Like
no, that's not okay.
Gel.
Yeah, they got the gel look. This is Sabin. So I guess that rapper guy in the front was Sabin. Oh my god. Look at this. Do you see how perfect they are? Oh my god.
I love that.
Someone save my soul, please. So angry. I feel so disrespected.
Soohyun is like,
I don't know. I'm kind of feeling Sabin a little bit. And Wusong a little bit.
and all of them a little bit.
Anyway, we can't keep looking at my phone forever. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, favorite, and share with your friends and family. Leave any comments, suggestions, questions down below. And we'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.
Adios.
Bye.
Adios.
Aww.